What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija. If you are new here, you just logged on to Beautifully Slayed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our family. In today's video we are featuring Mslynn hair, and today we're featuring their 14-inch 4x4 bob wig, and this is their packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I received in my package. I received a strap for our wig, some eyelashes, and a wig cap. And finally, this is our wig for today. It is their 14-inch skunk stripe bob wig. It is a 4x4 unit and it is 180% density. This is it. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any of the wigs from Mslynn hair, their website is also in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the install, but this is a wig for today. It is their 14-inch skunk stripe 4x4 bob wig, and this is it. I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace and then we install a wig. Today I'll be using my Got To Be Glue freezing spray. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig and this is it. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. But again, today we're featuring Mslynn hair and this is their 14-inch 4x4 bob skunk stripe wig. And this is what it's looking like after I glued it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but if you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Mslynn hair, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. Again, today we're featuring a Mslynn here, and this is their 14-inch 4x4 skunk stripe bob wig, and this is the finished look. This is what it's looking like. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Mslynn here, their website is down in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.